What do we have here, Barb?
We have
Secret yarn number 4.
Oh, 4? I'm losing track. We got 3,
It's
4, 5.
It's 4. Okay.
A lot of secrets around here.
I can't believe you did that. Anyway, okay. Why don't you do the honors? Look at Cardigan. Riley, come here. You want to come over and see? Hey, come on. Can I pick you up? Huh? No. All right. We don't want to try to pick her up because she might scream. That's her new thing.
Okay.
Wait, you got on.
Oh.
Here, hand me that. We have another. Okay. Secret yarn number 4. All right. So this yarn is another member of one of our yarn families. So that's a clue. And it's a family that has a lot of colors. It's a 2-ply lace weight yarn, but it's not really fine. It's a heavier lace weight. Oh man, look at this. Okay, hold on. It's a heavier lace weight 2-ply. You guys probably want to see it. You don't want me to talk. All right, ready? Let's each take 3 of them out. Let's see, I'll take. Look. Ooh. What don't you have here? This one.
This one. No?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, this one. Okay.
This one.
Sorry.
You got that one. Here it is.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry about that. All right. So we've got 6 shades. Look how beautiful it is. We brought this yarn in because of the colors. So it's very easy to get lace weight made and to order lace weight yarns that are white, but it's a little bit harder to find something that's in a natural shade. So we made some. We know that everybody likes lace to knit in the summer. We know that this is a popular weight. So this weight can be used for like on a size 4 to 6 needle for shawls and scarves and fingerless mitts and even sweaters. I'm knitting a sweater with it now. I'm knitting this sweater in a cardigan version with it now, and I'm just totally in love with it. So let's flip the top back and lay these out so people can get a better look at the colors. There we go. And then, no, that's all right. I think if we just put them out. That's what everybody wants to see up front.
I know. I want to see these grays together. Isn't that pretty together?
Yeah, and see, I love that there's a warm brown too. Like there's a peachy color and a more gray brown, and then there are actually these 3 are really nice. Yeah, a nice gradient. So, yeah, really nice. And I've even got some swatches here knit up. So this is the swatch of the sweater that I'm wearing in this shade, but I've also knitted in a couple other shades. So you can see, here's that kind of peachy beige. This is the color I'm knitting it. Yeah, it's super pretty. And then, you know, I just got random. I just, you know, trying out stitch patterns for,
you know, Anne and her swatches.
Possible designs. This is another, you know, kind of variation on a theme, and some other things. This is a new design I'll be working on. I actually have it cast on, but I'm not very far. But that's part of a new design along with this. So, secret yarn number 4. It'll be a great substitute for the chabris lace that we haven't been able to get for a while. It will sub in perfectly for any of my patterns that use chabris lace as well. So I think that's really perfect. Cool. Yeah. All right.
I just love the shade.
Yeah. You'll be seeing this soon in our newsletter.